Ito na ang ating finished product ng ating lutong eggplant with eggs. Eggplant na, may eggs pa. Very nutritious, healthy because of the vegetable, the talong. Welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, wherever you are. So this is Virginia's channel and welcome back again to my channel. The film which I am going to make today is about the cooking of our food, our lunch. This is the sliced eggplant, which I sliced earlier. Fruits of our eggplant in our garden. I harvested it earlier and I sliced it already so that we will not consume enough time. Come join me. Lagyan na ng cooking oil. Tomato. Nag-forming po ako sa plant natin. Kinuha ko na ang lahat. Ilagay ko na ang talong. Lagyan natin ng soy sauce. Let this simmer but i-cover. Dali ra gid maluto ang talong. 3 to 5 minutes. Nya balihon. Lagyan natin ng seasoning. I will add more sauce. Isang kimbot na lang. Kain na tayo. Now is the time for the egg. Eggplant na, may egg pa. Cover again and it's done already. Kain na tayo. At ito na ang ating finished product ng eggplant with eggs. Eggplant na, may eggs pa. Very nutritious, healthy because of the vegetable, the talong. Also, we have the eggs, the spices. Thank you so much for watching, mga ka-friendship. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting my channel. Walang iwanan, suportahan tayo. Watch, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para sa ating susunod na mga uploads. And it's bye-bye time kasi kakain na tayo. Mga ka-friendship, babush na!